Hey Steve, this is Richard Discount Forklifts. This is your brand new man up electric HYSTER turret truck. This machine has been serviced on 8/16/22. Forklift name is Deanna. Does have a reconditioned battery, and it has your red and yellow ocean tape safety forks. This is your forklift servicing guide for daily inspections as well as monthly and weekly. I'm gonna have Sean go ahead and give you a test drive and show you what it could do real quick. He's a rookie driver, take it easy. Switch. Let's go forward up the switch. Hold on 1 second, I can't hear you. 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. What were we saying? Oh, perfect. Yes, sir. So you can do the full amount, but you can only do 10% down via credit card. So if you want to do like the wire transfer for the full amount, you can go ahead and do that. There's wiring instructions on page 2 of the invoice in the lower left-hand corner. Do what? Oh, well, there was an estimate invoice I also sent you to your email. Give me 1 second here. Let me see if I can look it up real quick. You know what? Can you give me just a couple of minutes here? I'll email it over to you. I'll be done here in about 5-10 minutes. Okay, thank you.